US crude remained shy of 111. At the same time, NG broke out of $9 levels and saw a good rise. That is what I had said, to the levels to go long and for both oil and NG. I hope you profited trading either side. From what is going to happen today, we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Those who are interested into other commodities including gold and silver and markets including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany or Nifty 50 as well, you can watch the other analysis as well. Let's start the day with US crude first. US crude again trading below 110 levels, critical support levels. Before we come back to the daily charts, let's have a look at the hourly charts first. See, on the hourly charts, it is trying to retrace back again. See, this was the retracement, a sharper rise trying to reverse again. There is a definite resistance now at 110.5. Previously it was at 111. I told you yesterday that 111 should provide a resistance. It failed to break past this and now 110.5 levels. If it break past 110.5, one can expect a sharper rise. So yes, you can go long and then the highs could be taken at around again 111 levels. So on the downside, yes, you can go short at 109.5. Also, the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards here, indicating bearishness there. And the MACD has again crossed over for a sell there. RSI, interestingly, RSI is looking upwards. It has dropped here. It is trying to trade with an upward slope. Little bit of consolidation can be seen on the 2 hour charts. If you look at the pattern for oil here, you can see retracement, a sharp red candle, a retracement, a red candle. The body size is diminishing, indicating it is trying to consolidate a little in this zone. Look at this, higher lows are getting created and lower highs are getting created now. So 110.5 and 109.5, this zone is something I'll be watchful of. Any breakout above and below will lead to a stronger movement on the upside and downside. So next candle I'll be watchful of. Probably it may give you second red candle, then it will be a breakout there and then it can try to achieve 108.8 and below that it may try to go back till towards 108 levels. Now look at the directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is near to overbought, trying to look downwards, trying for a crossover. The MACD is again for a sell there and it is divergent, indicating bearishness. And RSI is also looking downwards, indicating bearishness there. And if you look at the 3 hour chart, so on the 3 hour chart, the new candle has just started. And if you see the charts here on the 3 hours, similarly, you will find that it is trying to create lower highs. At the same time, see, it is trying to give you higher lows there. And when I say high lows, if you consider this as the low, if you consider these as the lows there, probably there is going to be a consolidation which is happening right now. Any long entry is only recommended, as I said, above 110.5 today and beyond 110.5 we can expect there that it may try to head back till towards 111 and beyond levels. So I'll be cautious today till 110.5. At the same time, only short entry is below 109.5. Rather, you can, yes, 109.5 should be a good, but yes, then there is going to be a support at 109 or 108.8 levels. Below that, only one can expect a sharper drop. It is consolidating right now. Remember, the directional movement is bearish here on the 3 hour charts as well. The stochastic is also on the verge of a crossover, indicating if it crosses over, we may see again trading in a sell off. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish, and RSI trading flat there. So mixed indication. However, most of the indications are on the sell side. Now look at the 4 hour charts. What 4 hour chart has done? See, retracement, drop, retracement. Now looking forward to a drop. How big should be the candle, or how big can be the candle? Look at this from here, 110.5 to 109.5. So almost from here, 100 again 110.2 to 109 levels can be expected, and it can try to touch back again towards 108.8 and in fact can try to go back till towards 108 levels. So I'll be watchful, and yes, one can go short below 109.5 levels on crude oil today. And if you look at this, the divergence is there on the directional movement, indicating bearishness. However, on the 4 hour chart, there is a crossover. I'll be cautious there. It is a bullish crossover, and the MACD is wide divergent and again bearish here. The RSI is also looking downwards. Similarly, on the daily charts, if you look at this, the next candle is yet to start there. However, look at this. it is trying to give you the rise, drop, retracement, then higher lows, and now trying to, maybe the next candle which will start will try to take it further down. Maybe it may try to go back till towards 105 and below levels. So for the day I'll be cautious till towards 109.5. first one can go short at 109.5, the support at 108.8 and 108, these two supports are very much important, and then the 100 period moving average will come into picture at around 107 7.5 levels. So breaking this zone, definitely there would be a sharper fall leading it towards 106 105 and below levels. So I'll be cautious, it may try to give you a breakout today, as it is consolidating for a little long now. For 4 days consistently it is trying to trade sideways. Hence I will be bearish today, but I will be cautious again, and only short entry is below 109.5. I'll summarize once. Let's have a look at the daily charts also. See, there is a crossover on the sell side on the daily charts here, and the MACD is trying to converge and crossover for a sell here. RSI is also looking downward. So considering this, yes, you can go short at 109.5. Below 109.5 the target is 108.8, 108. Once it breaks past 108, one can expect, see, there is, yes, 107 levels, and then towards 106 105 and 104 it can drop till there. There could be a sharper fall below those levels. Now look at this, if you connect the dots here, it has got its support at 107, and once 107 is taken, there is going to be a sharper fall. So this is how oil is trading right now, and it is a narrowing triangle on the larger time frame, and only long entry is above 110.5, beyond which 111 level should provide a resistance. Beyond 111 it is going to fly again till towards 113 114 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 110.5 and 109.5 levels. Now let's have a look at NG. See, NG on the daily charts first. Before we come back to the daily charts, let's have a look at the hourly charts first. See, on the hourly charts, it is getting a support from the 50 period moving average at around 8.9 levels. It has got the support, and then there is a support at 8.88 levels. So these two levels, if it breaks 8.88 levels, we can see a sharper fall. Right now it is trying to reverse, and any move beyond this zone at 9.07, if it breaks past, we can see a sharper rise there. So 9.07 is the level beyond which I will expect it to hit 9.2, 9.4 and 9.5 levels, and in fact higher highs can be seen. Directional movement is crossing over for a sell there. The stochastic is also looking downwards, and the MACD is wide and divergent till now, trying to converge a little. So I'll be yes, the bearishness may diminish a little. It can try to rise, that is what is seen here. The RSI is trading flat with a little upward bias on the 1 hour chart. Now look at the 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts you can find that it is creating higher lows there. See, these three candles giving it a support. Now these two candles giving it a resistance. There is a resistance at 9.07 levels. If you see it trading beyond 9.07, yes, there could be a rise. Also at the same time, see, there is a support here at around 8.94 levels. This is the 20 period moving average, and then 8.88 levels. So these two levels, if taken today, we may see a sharper fall. Below 8.88, one can expect 8.8 to provide a support, which is a stronger support for NG. 8.8 levels are going to be stronger support for NG. If this is taken, yes, which will lead to a good drop. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge, and the stochastic is trading at bottom looking upwards. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bearish. The RSI is trading flat, not indicative of anything. Similarly, on the 3 hour charts, if you look at on the 3 hour charts, the candle is trying to reverse from here. See, the candle size is also diminishing. If you look at these three candles, candle size is diminishing. If you look at this on the larger time frames, higher lows are getting created, indicating that it is still very much in the bullish zone. See, higher highs, and then you can see higher lows. So trying to trade in this channel, the highs of this channel right now at around 9.5 9.6 zone, which may try to get achieved if it trades above 110.7 level. So yes, you can go long above 110.7, and then the target, oh sorry, 9 9.07 levels. Beyond 9.07, then the target is 9.2, and then it will try to head towards 9.4, 9.6 levels. So trade accordingly. The directional movement is still bullish here. The stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD has just crossed over, and there is still a probability for it to diverge a little, and the RSI is near to top there. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, it is giving higher lows, it is giving higher highs, precisely trading in this channel. The highs of the channel at around 9.4 levels. So yes, you can go long at 9.07. Beyond 9.07, it may lead to 9.2, 9.4 levels. These two resistance levels are going to act as a stronger resistance for NG today. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking downwards, and MACD is on the verge of a crossover. If it leads to a crossover, couple of red candles, more red candles can be seen, and RSI is trading flat. On the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts, you will find that, see, the candle here, higher highs, higher lows. Now probably beyond 9.07 levels, one can again expect it to come back to 9.2, which is going to provide a little resistance, then 9.5, and then you can see a similar size of candle which will again take it towards 9.6, 9.8 levels. So do not short NG till the time it is above 8.88 levels. Till the time it is above 8.88, one can expect that we may see a rise, and once it is below 8.88, there could be a sharper fall which will again try to bring it towards 8.5 and below levels. So two levels you have got, 8.8 and 9.88 and 9.07. In between these levels, that is almost a move of close to $2 or $1.9. In these $1.9, do not trade or do not take a position. Let it decide the direction, and then only you should trade. Below 8.88, one can expect 8.8 levels which can be achieved. Below 8.8, there could be a sharper fall which will take it towards 8.7, 8.6, 8.5 levels. On the upside, breaking beyond 9.07, the next target is 9.2, 9.4 levels. These are going to be stronger resistance zone for NG for the day. So yes, go long above 9.07, go short below 8.88, and trade accordingly. Keep shifting your stop loss to cost, keep shifting your stop loss to cost, and keep closing your trades. Once you achieve first milestone, you can re-enter or you can close half and continue trading accordingly. Decide the way you want to trade, but trade in profit and preserve your capital. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Yes, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 6th of June. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get. And also on my VIP signals, you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.